Hi, it's Friday and it's the bundle show, and that means we've got some awesome bundles available for you this weekend on the Tonic Studios store, all at 30% off. So let's find out what's available. We have an essential Tonic Studios Toolbox bundle containing the new blue colorway super trimmer, craft knife and decoupage scissors, usually retailing for £35.23. This bundle is yours for £24.66. Stock up on your adhesives with this 6 funky glue pen bundle, £13.50 normally. This weekend it's £9.45. We have a Tim Holtz tool bundle containing titanium shears and retractable craft pick, usually £21.98, now £15.39. We have the butterfly bloom and whirl die sets as part of a bundle, usually £29.98, now £20.99. We have a butterfly die and embossing folder bundle containing the butterfly forest and enchanting wreath die and embossing folder sets for just £20.99. That's 30% off their usual RRP. And lastly, we have our fabulous daisy lace easel and layering dies together in one super saver bundle, usually retailing for £69.98. We have them available for you this weekend only at £48.99. So there we have it. Those are the bundles that are available this weekend only, closing at 4 p.m. on Monday, and all those bundles are 30% off. So if you do place an order and the order is over £20 in the UK, you got free shipping, but we do offer brilliant shipping rates worldwide. So hope you enjoy these bundles.